Cutting a pattern on the inside is always a little bit better than cutting this pattern, hand cutting it on the outside. The bevel on the inside happens to be a little bit different, precise to what you need to accomplish, which is a micro gap. And computer cut pattern, they're never nowhere near close. So right, they're just not close for a lot of different reasons. I'm not knocking on computer cut patterns versus hand cut, not at all. I think that guys that use both of the things, I think you know what I'm saying about computer cut patterns. They're on Frameless, they're just not there, not even close to being not there. All right, do that deal right there, do our thing, position it close to where we're going to work at. I got a little bit of sweat in my hand, so it's sticking, so let me go ahead and get this excess out of the way. Man, this sweat is horrible here in South Texas. I don't know about you guys' weather, but down here it's about 95 degrees today. It is Sunday. All right, see what's going to go on here. Okay, the right thing there. It does have some fingers, but to me, because it doesn't have a sweep, I removed it. It's here on the side. It's going to be very manageable. Manageable meaning I'll be able to press it out without having to heat shrink it. Okay. Just right here, we're gonna go ahead and push it this way and down to create just a nice micro little thing, which is there, nothing there. At the top, there it is. Over there, there it is. I'm gonna straighten that little beak out right now. Okay, so pretty much here you go, one cut all the way around, pretty much. This right here, we manage it right here. Man, if I can't see it because I'm going blind. There it is, man. All right, my man, you guys that love to cut on glass, you can do that thing just right here. Okay, if not, use your peel board. I think it's a lot safer. When you use good blades, these are my dirty blades that I sell. When you use good blades, you don't need to worry about it. If you don't click, then get ready for some problems. All right, my man, this round corner, as I mentioned, I'm getting a little bit blind, so just a minor. There you go. I prefer to do it here because I can see with a white background, see what's going on. I couldn't see with the other one, not here. All right, my man, that's it. Pre-cutting on the inside, just one pass all the way across. Moving this way, you're gonna have micro gap here, micro gap there. Boom. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.